So what's popping, guys? Recently we received a package from Amazon.in. Can you guys guess what is it? I'll give you 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Pause this video and comment down below and say what this is. Okay. So let's unbox this package, but before unboxing, it's corona time, so we are not gonna take any kind of risks. So let's sanitize our hand first. Alright, and let's sanitize this one. Okay, so let's unbox this package. Guys, it is a brand new Free Fire Mousepad. Okay guys, I play Free Fire. Okay, I am fan of Free Fire. My in-game UID will be in the description box, so you can add me. Okay, and I will upload gameplay videos of Free Fire soon. Okay guys, so this is a mousepad that I have ordered from Amazon.in. My old mousepad, there was no mousepad. I used to use this kind of cloth, but because of you guys, I bought this mousepad. It couldn't be happen if you guys don't subscribe my channel. Because of your support only, I bought this new mousepad. I bought this new gaming mouse. I bought all my essential due to your support only. So guys, make sure to support our channel and don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you hit 1k subscribers, then I will reveal my face. Okay guys, so here's the mousepad, brand new, and it's very cool. It doesn't move. It's very cool guys, because due to this, it's rough and the surface due to it sticks here and it doesn't move. See, it doesn't move. It's very smooth guys. It's very smooth. I'm gonna put this mousepad links in the description box. For that being said guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Everything, there is not any kind of bill. No, there's no bill guys. Okay, no problem. So all that being said guys, I will see you in the next one. Peace.